Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 11th. Today my topic is about brown algae. Yesterday हमने जो लेक्चर मैंने दिया था वो दिया था मैंने रेड algae के बारे में. रेड algae में मैंने आपको इसका सेल स्ट्रक्चर बताया था. उसका सेल स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होता है, जैसे यहाँ पे एक डायग्राम दी हुई है कॉन्डस की और जिलेडियम की. दीज आर द डायग्राम्स ऑफ दिस रेड algae. एंड इसके स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में आपको बोला था, दीज आर यूकैरियोटिक स्ट्रक्चर्स. दैट मीन्स दे हैव वेल डिफाइंड सेल organelles. They have a membrane bounded organelles in the membrane bound organelles, and cell wall consists of two layers. There are two layers of cell wall. The outer layer is made up of pectin material, and this inner layer is made up of cellulose. It had a centrally placed paranoid and a reserve food material in the form of floridane starch and a soluble sugar floridoside. आज हमें जो पढ़ना है वो हमें पढ़ना है ब्राउन algae के बारे में. That comes under the division of Phaeophyta. And this brown algae, there are various species of this brown algae. About 2000 species of brown algae are present. These are mostly marine species. That means they are present in the sea, and in the marine sea they are found in the shallow waters also, and most of the brown algae are found in cooler seas. And therefore we can say these brown algae, these are present in the deep sea are present in these brown algae. Then there comes the morphology of brown algae. Morphology means the structure of brown algae, how this brown algae looks like. These are actually the filaments form that is branched. Here you will see in this diagram. This is the diagram of one of the brown algae, that is laminaria. लेमनेरिया की डायग्राम आप देख सकते हैं. इट्स ए फिलामेंट स्ट्रक्चर, दैट्स द ब्रांच स्ट्रक्चर of the red algae, brown algae. And when we come across the structure of this brown algae, there are three structures. We can say there are three parts. Number first part, that is laminaria, which is a leaf-like and photosynthetic. Here you will see in this diagram, this is the leaf-like structure, and this is photos. That means it prepares its own food. Is provided with air blades for floating. For floating, that means it floats on the surface of water by these air blades. And there is also a type. It's a stem-like structure is present. Here we will see a stem-like structure, and there is a third part, that is hold for which attach the filament to the rock. That means by means of this hold fast, these brown algae is attached to the substratum, or we can see it's attached to the rock with the help of this hold fast. Then there is one more algae, that's green algae. Green algae are put on the division of chlorophyta, that is green plants. That is, they have a green pigment in them. In leaves they have a green pigment. They prepare their own food. And when we see the occurrence of this green algae, they live in fresh water. That they occur most in fresh water, and few species are marine. They grow on damp surfaces, forming a green mat. That means on damp surface, which is a moist space, and they form a green mat. That is, it's a mat-like structure they form. And a few grow as epiphytes. That means they grow on the other plants. And some species of this are epizoic. Epizoic means, that means they live on other animals for their food material, or they grow as symbiotes with animals. Thank you students. Rest I will teach you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.